If your Messenger video calls aren't minimizing properly or the floating bubble isn't appearing, you need to follow the simple steps. First, go ahead, open Messenger, tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner of your screen and go to Settings. From the Settings page, tap on Bubbles or Chat Heads option and simply toggle this option on and you'll be done. Note that on Android 11 and later, this might be in your phone setting under Notifications and Bubbles and Allow. So you need to go ahead and tap and hold onto the Messenger application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. So go to Storage, click on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Also go to the battery section and make sure that it is set to unrestricted or optimized. Then come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And check the app permissions. Go to app permissions and make sure that the camera, microphone, phone, and notifications, everything is allowed. And disable battery optimization for Messenger. And also try updating the Messenger from the Google Play Store. Go ahead and open Google Play Store. Simply search for Messenger application, and if you see an update button instead of open highlighted in blue color, you need to go ahead and tap on that in order to update it to its latest version. Updates often include bug fixes that can solve minimizing problems. Now go ahead and turn off VPN or private DNS. Disable any VPN that you're using and turn off private DNS and reopen Messenger and restart your phone. A simple restart can fix system glitches and reinstall the Messenger. Uninstall Messenger application if it's not working properly, and after uninstalling, reinstall it using your Play Store. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.